Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. This video we are going to discuss about an important tips for writing a review paper. So in order to write a review paper, so you must take around more than 50 or 70 references, and then you have to analyze that references, and you can analyze the data in that particular references, and then you can make a statement about that particular reference paper. So like that you have to collect you have to analyze all the references associated with the particular topic, and you have to make a comparative statement. From that you have to identify a research gap. Then you can proceed how it can be done or how it can be solved by further research or future scope of the particular research gap problem. So this is what we have to do in our review paper. So the review paper mainly focuses on how to make a better future scope for that particular idea you have chosen. So that is what a review paper will be. A review paper must brings out a comprehensive idea about what is the topic you have chosen. So that is very important. So in order to make a comprehensive statement or analysis about for that review paper, so you have to analyze your reference paper very well. So in order to analyze reference paper, so there are many tools available. So especially our AI tool will be very useful for you. So in order to analyze your reference papers, you will be having 5 different templates: literature review, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF, reference to content, reference style converter. So these are the different things available. So next important thing in review paper is analyzing the data in your reference paper. So that is very important. So in order to analyze data in your reference paper, so you have to choose a reference. So in order to do so, I am going to choose a random reference paper here. So click on the reference paper. So this is a reference paper about MPPT control algorithm based on particle swarm optimization and adaptive linear active disturbance rejection control. So in this you can make literature review. So after that you have to analyze the results in the particular paper. So in order to do so, you can go for the result section. So here this is the result section. So these are the simulation results. So in this you can see this is the simulation results and discussions. So in this simulation results and discussion there are different figures which showcasing the different results. So in order to analyze the results, you have to take a note of it. So which method gives what is the amount of results it will generate. So like that you have to make a note of it. So in order to make it simple, so it can be done by using AI tool. So in order to do so, I am going to copy the results part of the research paper. So review paper, that is reference paper. After that, go to Chatgpt. So you can copy and paste the contents in that particular paper. So here you can see. So after copying that fifth figure, so I have copied the 7th figure. So and then go to Chatgpt again, and then paste the content. Again go to that paper. So copy the 9th figure data. Go to Chatgpt again. Here you can see that I have copied all the that is data and text associated with the particular results. So after that you can give a prompt like this. So make a comparative table and statement. So here you can see that the table is generated. So here you can see the aspect under uniform light conditions. The traditional P&O method gives what are the parameters and what are the values. So after that PSO method, PSO with LADRC, next PSO with ALADRC. Next like that temperature changes, local shadow conditions. So like that it will generate a comparison table. Instead of learning all the data, instead of studying all the data and making a note of all the data, so you can use this kind of option in Chatgpt to generate a better content for you. So this will helpful for you to analyze the data in the particular papers. So as far as research paper review paper writing is concerned, so you must have more than 70 odd references. So in order to analyze in order to extract the data from every paper, so you can use this kind of method to extract the data. So thereby you can make a better comparative analysis in order to identify a problem statement and research gap for your further proceedings of your research. So this is how you can use this data. So the same thing I am going to try it with Google Board. So here I am going to copy the same content. I am going to Google Board again. So after that, so you can copy and paste the content, same content, and then enter. So let us see how this Google Board generate content. So as like ChatGPT, so Google Board will also generate the content for you. So in this, what is the important thing is that you can export to Excel sheets. So just you can click on you will get your Excel sheets, that is data, you will get an extra Excel sheets. So after that you can have the key takeaways in this Google Board also, that is PSO plus 𝐴_LA_DRC consistently outperforms other methods in terms of response time, overshoot and adjustment time. So like that you can analyze bits and pieces of your reference paper very easily in order to prepare your review article. So this will be very useful for you to analyze your data in your reference paper. So by studying 70 odd reference paper will take more time. So you can use this kind of option to analyze the data very easily. So thereby you can get a clear idea about each reference paper and what are the data associated with the reference paper. So you can also make a comparative analysis with the references itself. For example, if you are taking 20 references, you can make a comparative analysis with the same kind of data. For example, you can make a same kind of analysis with response time. So in this paper the response time will be 0.13. As like this you can have data from other reference paper also and you can make a comparative analysis. So like that you can make use of the option using this AI tools to analyze your reference paper to prepare to prepare review paper. As review paper comprises of many references, so you can use this kind of methodology to analyze your reference paper very easily. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So those especially who are writing review paper, this will be very helpful for you to write a review paper. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.